Okay, everybody, so we're here in Redondo Beach, California. We're on a tuna lot. This is the backyard of the back unit. And we actually planted a passion vine, which you can see the passion flower there, beautiful thing. We ran a green line so that when there's when you look out the window, within the end of the season, the end of the year, that vine will have grown across probably at least two of those windows. And then this is a food forest. Here's an avocado tree, and here's some native plants. You always want to mix natives with food. So here's an apple tree, Fuji apple there. We put this in just in time because they just built a brand new two-story house. And we've got another espaliered apple tree here. And what have we here? It just came from here, but this is interesting. We have something called a rain garden where the roof water from up top comes down and it empties into this, it looks like a dry creek bed, but it's actually a rain garden. It keeps rainwater on site, which is what you want to do. We have the rainbird valves with the black thing sticking down on the bottom. That's actually a drip irrigation filter. So we have drip irrigation here. Ooh, Mexican sage there popping out. Here's another salvia. That's a citrus tree, avocado tree, apples right there. And there's passion vine and star jasmine mixed throughout this entire back area. Fig tree. Check out the figs, brand new figs, first figs of the season. So espaliered apple tree, we're espaliering this fig tree, and then another apple tree, it's going to town. We got some calla lilies just for aesthetics. And then we have the Caliandra californica. This is an actual California native. Pineapple guava. And then over here, a little vegetable garden. You want to make sure that if the pollinators come, you want to take care of them. So we put this little basalt fountain in with a little running water, so in case there's some squirrels or what have you, they can take a drink. Butterflies can land up here, take a sip of water, bees, because they also need a fresh water source. And so this is the backyard. As we scan it again, here's the pergola. Place just to set if you're really quiet. You can hear the fountain. And now let's go to the front yard. And I'm trying to inspire people to show them what can be done in a tiny, tiny backyard. So that's the overall view of the backyard. With all the espaliered trees. Hopefully they'll be able to crowd out that we won't be a fishbowl anymore. I see a bee on top of the star jasmine over there. So lots of food intersprinkled with the drip irrigation and the native gardens and little pathway here. We have the bark mulch because that brings the mycorrhizal fungi. So we're partnering with nature to get the very best out of nature. Now we just did the front yard, and the front yard actually has native or California friendly plants. We just installed these. We have rocks here. We do have the bark mulch underneath, and right there. Then the reason we put rocks on top is because we wanted to discourage cats, kitty cats, from digging in there. Here's a great hummingbirds love this. It's called the Caliandra hemistophylo, pink powdered puff. Great for shade areas. These are California natives called heucheras, interspersed with the little rocks. And then what have we here? We have another situation where there's a roof line, and then it comes down. And I made another video last week of we were installing the Eco Rain box here. And so the Eco Rain box will keep rainwater on site without going to the beach. Here's a California-friendly plant, takes a lot of shade. Laurel petalum. There's a Kufia, takes a lot of shade. All these really take a lot of shade. The Lamandra, the cousin it, gets its name for obvious reasons. And this little white succulent is actually a California native. We have another cousin it, along with the lavender grass. Look at how pretty that is, and it's just stunningly beautiful. We've got these echeverias and another California native, the Dahlia, the Cuvias, and then the Laurel Peddler. Gorgeous plants, and the idea is this: they're going to get taller and they're going to get more beautiful, but they're drought tolerant and or native, and they take shade. So this is it. This is the California friendly native garden, designed and installed by Enviroscape LA. Thanks for joining us. Take care.